how to set up a Coinbase wallet. So Coinbase wallet is available on iOS as well as available on Android. They have the application. You can also start using on your laptop or PC, or you can download for Chrome, right? So there's several ways to do it. So once you have downloaded somewhere, whichever platform you're using, just go and click on create a wallet on the top right side corner. Now it will something like this will appear here. Now you can see here connect to Coinbase wallet. Right now here choose where to save these passkeys. I will just save this here. Once you save it, just go and click on sign up. So create a passkey. To create a passkey below, you are using the Windows Hello. Select use another device. I'll just go and click on create a passkey. This is really important, right? So let's say I will just click on security, right? And then just go and click on OK, right? And here you need to import your security to do this. If you fail, then you will see this option of try again, right? Then you can choose the another method, right? So usually without verifying you won't be able to get into this. Now once you do it, once it get connected, as you can see here, now it has been got connected. And after backing up your recovery phrase or just by using your Bluetooth and the process which you saw, this is how you can do so, and this is how you can connect your Coinbase wallet. This is how you can set up your Coinbase wallet. Thanks for watching this video.